Stop rebuilding AI workflows for every agent. This free tool lets you build once, run everywhere. OpenWork is the free open-source alternative to Claude Cowork. Build workflows once, run them across all your AI agents. OpenWork is a desktop application built in TypeScript that solves a critical problem in AI development. Instead of rebuilding the same prompts and workflows for each different AI agent, you create them once in OpenWork. The system uses an MCP master control program architecture to make these workflows available across any compatible tool. This means your investment in building complex AI skills isn't locked to a single platform or vendor. You maintain full control over your intellectual property while gaining portability across Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, and other emerging agents. The desktop app provides a centralized hub where you can develop, test, and refine your workflows before deploying them across your entire toolkit. The magic is in something called an MCP, or Master Control Program. You add one OpenWork MCP to your favorite agent, like Codex, Claude Code, or Cursor. This instantly gives that agent access to all your shared skills, tools, and services. You build it once, but run it from any compatible agent. The MCP exposes two core tools: search _ capabilities to discover what's available, and execute _ capability to run your workflows. After adding the MCP, your client opens a browser for authentication, letting you choose your OpenWork organization and complete the setup process seamlessly. Getting started can be incredibly simple. You don't even need to download anything manually. Just copy this one prompt and paste it into any agent that can run commands, like Cursor or Claude Code. It installs OpenWork, creates your first workspace, and opens it all in one go. The system handles all dependencies and configuration automatically, ensuring a smooth setup experience. This approach eliminates the traditional friction of manual installation and gets you working with your AI workflows in minutes rather than hours. If you prefer a manual setup or want to integrate with a specific tool, that's just as easy. For example, to add your OpenWork capabilities to Codex, you just need to run one command. This connects Codex to the OpenWork MCP server, pulling in all your configured skills. The command uses the standard Codex MCP add syntax with the OpenWork endpoint URL. After running this, Codex will immediately recognize your OpenWork capabilities and make them available through its normal interface. This approach gives you full visibility into the connection process and ensures everything is configured exactly how you want it. The process for Claude Code follows the same pattern but uses their specific CLI syntax. You run the Claude MCP add command with the HTTP transport flag pointing to the same OpenWork endpoint. This one-time setup ensures that any skills you develop become instantly available within your Claude Code environment. The MCP exposes two core tools: search _ capabilities to discover what's available, and execute _ capability to run your workflows. After running this command, your client will open a browser for authentication, letting you choose your OpenWork organization and complete the setup. This integration works seamlessly with Claude Code's existing workflow patterns, making it feel like a native part of the tool rather than a bolted-on extension. For tools like OpenCode that use configuration files instead of CLI commands, the integration is equally straightforward. You add a specific JSON block to your OpenCode.json file that defines the OpenWork MCP connection. This configuration specifies a remote MCP server type with the OpenWork endpoint URL and includes OAuth support for authentication. The beauty of this approach is that it works with any MCP-compatible client, not just the major branded tools. This open interoperability means you can future-proof your workflow investments against platform changes or new tool emergence. The configuration follows standard MCP patterns, making it easy to understand and modify if your needs change over time. While you can use OpenWork entirely from your existing tools, it also comes with a dedicated desktop app. This gives you a focused workspace for creating and managing your workflows. It's a clean, native-feeling application that really speeds up the development of complex skills and agent instructions. The desktop app provides visual tools for building workflows, testing them in isolation, and debugging issues before deployment. You can organize your capabilities into projects, version them, and share them with teammates through the built-in collaboration features. The app runs on macOS, Windows, and Linux, ensuring broad compatibility across different development environments. For larger organizations, the real power comes from OpenWork Den. This is the control plane for managing OpenWork across an entire team or company. It's where you handle security, access control, and deployment at scale. This is the feature that makes it a true enterprise-ready alternative. Den provides a centralized dashboard where administrators can monitor usage, manage licenses, and enforce compliance policies across the organization. It integrates with existing identity providers like Okta and Azure AD, making user management seamless for IT departments. The system also provides audit logs and reporting capabilities for compliance and security reviews. Inside DEN, you can provision your inference providers at scale, with granular control over which team members can access specific model providers. This helps manage costs by preventing unnecessary usage of expensive models while ensuring the right people have access to the tools they need. You can create tiered access policies that match your organizational structure, whether by department, seniority, or project requirements. The system also allows you to monitor usage patterns and optimize your AI infrastructure spending across the entire organization. DEN provides real-time cost tracking and budget alerts, helping finance teams maintain control over AI-related expenses without stifling innovation. Security is a first-class citizen in OpenWork DEN with comprehensive desktop policies across the organization. You can restrict access to local models to prevent data leakage and ensure all AI interactions happen through approved, monitored channels. The system lets you control which versions of the app your organization can use, ensuring compliance with security standards and preventing outdated software vulnerabilities. These policies extend to mobile and remote workers, maintaining consistent security posture regardless of where team members are working from. DEN also supports data loss prevention (DLP) integration, allowing organizations to extend their existing security infrastructure to AI workflows and prevent sensitive information from being processed by unauthorized models. DEN makes collaboration seamless through internal marketplaces for skills and plugins. You can publish capabilities developed by your team and make them available through curated catalogs. These can be assigned at different levels: organization-wide for universal tools, team-specific for departmental needs, or individually for specialized workflows. The system even allows importing Anthropic-compatible plugins, bringing external capabilities into your OpenWork ecosystem. This creates a living library of approved, reusable AI tools that grows with your organization's experience and needs. Teams can rate and review shared capabilities, creating a merit-based system where the most useful workflows naturally rise to the top and become standard practice across the organization. OpenWork is version 0.18, still evolving fast. The free core is powerful, but advanced features may require paid services. OpenWork is completely free and open source versus closed platforms. You get maximum customization, but handle setup yourself. Perfect for dev teams standardizing workflows, power users across multiple agents, and open source developers sharing capabilities. Install with one prompt. Define workflows in the app. Connect your agents. Run everywhere. If you're fighting agent lock-in, switch to OpenWork. It's a powerful, free way to centralize AI development.